So, hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yum Yum Herbias. And hello to all my yummy dishes around the world. How are you there? So, today guys, finally, I'm going to unbox my birthday gift, okay? So, actually, I celebrate my birthday. That was January 25. So, now it's February 2. So, I'm so sorry, guys, because especially I'm extremely busy. I have a hectic schedule. So, this is the only time that I can open my birthday gifts, okay? So, and also guys, I would like to extend my gratitude to all my friends, my family who greeted me on my birthday. And I am so happy because I reached that age as a 47. So thank you, Lord God. So now guys, I'm going to unbox my birthday gifts. I'm so excited, guys. And anyway, before I forget, I have some gifts I already received, and now I'm using like for example the earrings, okay, and the necklace. So thank you, Papa. I love you. Thank you so much for the gift. I am so happy. So anyway, here we go now. This is from whom? Let me check, guys. Wow, this is from Rose. I remember last year when I received also a gift from Rose. I am so overwhelmed. Okay, so happy birthday with a smiling face to our most beautiful lady from Rose. Rose, here we go. Now I'm going to open. I'm so excited, guys. Oh my God. Wow, it's a set of, okay, it's a body mist, shower gel, and body lotion. Rose, thank you so much. I love it. Okay, next. I think this is for Robili. Let me check now. Oh my goodness. Wow, it's a Victoria's Secret, guys. It's a body spray. Okay, Temptation from Victoria's Secret. And oh my God, Bebe. It's a hat. Wow, let me check. Wow, it's so nice. Robili, thank you so much, my dear. I love it. Yeah, it's so nice. And then, I know this one. This is from Jelen. Jelen, thank you so much, dear. All of you. Yeah, all of you give me this body mist because you know what is my weakness, guys. Perfume or any kind of body spray, body mist. Check this. And also, wow. There is another one. It's a pressed powder. Yeah, from Deborah Milano. Yeah, thank you so much, Jeline. And it's a highlighter, guys. Okay, Jeline, thank you so much. And of course, the last. Wow, it's from Karat World. So it's a jewelry. Oh my God, this is amazing. Here we go. Uh-oh, it's an earrings, guys. It's a TikTok, sorry. It's a TikTok earrings that I can put it here. Okay. So this is from Anne. Mary Ann. Thank you so much. I love it. I'm gonna use this every day. So Anyway, guys, thank you so much. Thank you for the beautiful gift I received during my birthday. So, thank you. And also, don't forget to like and share my video. Thank you so much, guys. Mwah.